የኮንዲሽናል ሰንተንስ ሙሉ ትርጉም እና አጠቃቀማቸው በትክክል ያውቃሉ ወይ? በዚህ ቪዲዮ እናየዋለን። ሁሉንም የኮንዲሽናል ሰንተንስ አጠቃቀምና ትርጉማቸው የያዘ ሙሉ ፒዲኤፍ አዘጋጅቼላችኋለሁ። Subscribe to download this by the link in the description below or from the Telegram channel by this. Another expressions of conditionals. Example: unless, what if, even if only, I or we wish, etc. 1. Unless is followed by affirmative verb and it means if something not. It does not follow negative verb. Example: unless you stop smoking you will harm yourself. ማጨስ ካላቆምክ ራስን ትጎዳለህ። Type 1. Unless you study grammar you will not understand English. grammar ወይም ሰዋስው ካላጠና እንግሊዘኛ አይገባህም። 2. Unless you stopped smoking you would be sick. Type 2. Unless you studied grammar you would not understand English. 3. Unless she'd given them the money they would have shot her. Unless you had studied hard you would not have passed the exam. ጠንክረህ ባታጠና ኑሮ ፈተናውን ባላለፍክ ነበር። ታይፕ 3. 2. what if ምን ሊሆን ወይም ምን ሊፈጠር ይችላል ማለት ነው። what if is used with all conditionals with type 1, type 2, type 3. Example: what if I make mistakes? Type 1 meaning what will happen if I make mistakes? ሳሳተስ ምን ሊፈጠር ወይም ምን ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው። what if I didn't go to meeting? meaning what would happen if I didn't go to meeting? ስብሰባ ባልሄድስ ምን ሊፈጠር ነው። ታይፕ 2 ማለት ነው። what if I had scored 600 marks in the exam? meaning what would have happened if I had scored 600 marks in the exam? type 3 በፈተናው 600 ባመጣ ኑሮ ምን በተፈጠረ ነበር ማለት ነው። 3. even if you can use even if instead of whether or not or even though without changing its meaning and it shows strong contrasts. It means it doesn't matter whether the condition happens or not. Example: even if the plane fails we will learn from it. ምንም እንኳን እቅዱ ቢወድቅም ከእሱ እንማራለን። Type 1 even if they apologize her she will not forgive them. ምንም እንኳን ይቅርታ ቢጠይቋትም ይቅር አትላቸውም። even if I were rich I would live simply. Type 2 ሀብታም ብሆን እንኳን ቀለል ብዬ እኖር ነበር ማለት ነው። even if he had studied hard he might still have failed. if not and if so. 1. if not can replace complete clauses. it is used instead of negative clauses. it means if the opposite is true or otherwise. Example: hurry up. if not we will be late. ቶሎ በል አለበለዚያ እናረፍዳለን ማለት ነው። study hard. if not you will fail the exam. ጠንክረህ አጥና አለበለዚያ ፈተናው ትወድቃለህ ማለት ነው። 2. if so. it is used instead of affirmative clauses. it means if that is true or in that case. Example: is it going to rain? if so take an umbrella. ሊዘንብ ነው? ሊዘንብ ከሆነ ጀንጥላው ያዝ። are you tired? if so you should rest. ደከመህ? ከደከመህ እረፍት ውሰድ። another but for it is a propositional phrase that means if it were not for or without respect for. it is used to talk about a conditional that prevented something else from happening. it is used in conditional sentence type 2 and type 3. its structure is but for plus noun or noun phrase. it is not followed by a full clause. Example: but for her advice I would be in serious trouble. this means if it were not for her advice I would be in serious trouble. በምክሯ ምክንያት ነው እንጂ በከፍተኛ ችግር እሆን ነበር ማለት ነው። ታይፕ ቱ ኮንዲሽናል ለመግለጽ ማለት ነው እንጠቀምበታለን። but for his father's help he would not get the chance በአባቱ እገዛ ምክንያት ነው እንጂ እድሉ አያገኘውም ነበር። but for your help I would have failed the exam. This is the same as if it had not been for your help I would have failed the exam. በአንተ እርዳታ ምክንያት ነው እንጂ ፈተናው በወደቅኩ ነበር። ታይፕ 3 ማለት ነው። but for the rain we would have gone out. ታይፕ 3 በዝናብ ምክንያት ነው እንጂ ወጥተን ቢሄድን ነበር ማለት ነው። next if only or I or we wish. It is used to express regret or unfulfilled situations. It is used in the same way as I or we wish. 1. If only plus simple past. It is used to express regret about the present. Example. If only I know the answer. This is the same as I wish I knew the answer. This means sorry I didn't know the answer. መልሱ ካወቅኩት ብቻ ወይም አይ መልሱ አላውቀውም ማለት ነው። If only she spoke English fluently. If only we live closer to the school. 2. If only plus past perfect. It is used to regret about the past. Example. If only she had listened. If only they had arrived earlier. If only we had saved more money. The regret is about something that did not happen in the past. 3. If only plus present conditional or would plus V1. It is used to express unease or desires for change. It is used to express regret about the future. Example. If only the bus would come on time. If only she would listen to advice. If only it would rain, the crops would grow. በቀጣይ advanced points in conditional sentence የሚል ርዕስ አለ ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ።